If I had $1 for every time I heard the word inventory, I would be a rich lady. So in the mortgage and real estate market, we hear this term all of the time. It's high inventory, it's low inventory. Right now, we're in a low inventory market. So my goal is to give you a creative idea on how you could possibly still buy a home or get the home of your dreams in our low inventory market. Okay, so we actually partner with lenders that do renovation loans. So what does that mean? There are conventional programs and FHA financing programs that allow you to purchase a home that might not be turnkey, but allows you to still get into a home that's a fixer-upper. You could do cosmetic repairs, you could add a room, you can add a bathroom, you could even add an ADU unit, you can add a pool, right? So if you're looking maybe to get into a property now, but it's not your perfect property, let's talk about renovation loans to make it your perfect property during the transaction. Now, if you own a home currently, but you're afraid to sell because of low inventory, you're afraid you're not going to be able to find the house that you want, we can try and make your current home your dream home, right? It might be a short-term solution. It might be the perfect long-term solution, but there are renovation loans for you to do a refinance and do repairs to your existing home in order to make it the home that you'd be looking to purchase elsewhere. All right. So if you have any questions about renovation loans, how the process starts, what you would need to qualify, how they work, reach out to me. You can DM me the word renovation. This is Tracy with the Schmidt team, empowered by Nexa Mortgage. We are here to make mortgages easy for you. Again, renovation loans, it might be the perfect way for you to get into a low inventory market and still purchase or make your current home your forever dream home. We'll talk to you soon.